morning, friends. It is 7:45 in the morning. As you can tell, I would have posted what woke us up this morning. We got thunderstorms going on right now. Miss Cali is under our bed crying. I turned the light on so at least she doesn't see the lightning. But it's already I'm just waiting for the clock. It's already 57 degrees out. It's supposed to be in the mid-60s today. On and off storms. We're hoping that they don't get too severe. We hope it stays cloudy, because if the sun comes out, it can really cause possibilities of certain areas to have tornadoes. But 57 degrees out, it's like a spring thunderstorm, except for today we're supposed to get high winds with it, so it's more than a spring storm. But anyways, I have my first cup of coffee going here. As always, the first one is always black because I take thyroid medication and I cannot put any cream or anything in it until after a good hour. This is the yarn that I wound up yesterday. It is a self-striping yarn. I'm doing a toe-up sock. I just wanted to come on. The contractors will definitely not be here today. Jerry is planning on, we did an online auction last night, and we won a few items, so he might run over and pick that stuff up. I don't know, he's got to pick up some wire for the sunroom. And other than that, I think I'm just going to stay home today, and he can go out in all this rainy stuff if he wants to. And I'm just going to, if it's storming, I won't sew, because with the lightning with my sewing machine, I don't like doing that. So I just might be sitting here watching YouTube and TV and crocheting or cross stitching today. But of course, I will always take you along with me, and I hope that you all have a very blessed Wednesday, and I will talk to you later, friends. friends, happy Wednesday. It is 8 p.m. We did survive the storm. It stopped raining roughly about 12:30, something like that, 12:30, quarter ones. We were in a tornado watch most of the day. Thunderstorm warning was this morning until like 11:30, and then the thunderstorm watch was until 4 p.m. and now the next 7 days there's no rain whatsoever, which is good because we're under flood warnings, so things are starting to crest. We live by the Thornapple River. It's not close to us. It runs through the camp that is next to us in our backyard, and it's supposed to crest by Friday at 8 feet and 2 or 8.5, something like that. So that is the next best big thing right now. Best thing, no, the next thing is that we were lucky. A lot of people up north, they ended up getting hail. Actually, all around us got hail the day before, and when I say hail, it was like quarter size, 50-cent piece size, and then today some people got golf ball size, and they were showing it on the news, they were showing it on Facebook, and I mean, it was just unreal, but luckily we never did get that, and we're just so thankful for that. A lot of the water in our front yard has gone away. We still have quite a bit in our side yard, and the camp still has quite a bit. So, but it got to be this afternoon, the sun came out a little bit, and then the wind started picking up, and it was like 25 to 30 miles an hour, sometimes with the wind gust up to 40. But other than that, now it is calm. It is calm. So it's been a quiet day today. As you saw, I did a lot of, music to things. It was an off day today with the storms waking us up early, and poor Miss Cali, as soon as it woke everybody up, she was under the bed, and then she was just crying. And she spent most of the day under the bed. And so I put a radio on, and I leave light on until it gets light out and stuff. And then when it finally is clear and we know it's not going to thunder or anything like that, we go in the bedroom, we try to coax her out so she'll come at least out and eat and, do what she's got to do. So today, I didn't do too much today. I stitched a lot. I did crochet on that sock this morning. Jerry ran over to pick up our stuff from the auction sale. I'll have to show that to you tomorrow. Contractors are supposed to be here tomorrow and Friday. We are building a 3-season room that we call a sunroom, and tomorrow they're hoping to finish the roof and connecting it to our existing roof. The winds were so strong this afternoon, they had tarped part of the roof that they had to cut out and stuff, and they had put big boards on it and stuff, and this afternoon we heard something roll and fall, and one of the boards fell off, so Jerry had to get the ladder out and go up towards the roof and throw it back up on it and keep holding the tarp down. So tomorrow, I know that the contractors are planning on at least doing that, so all the roof will be fixed and done, and then we're guessing that Friday they'll start putting the windows and the OSB up to enclose it, basically. So it's kind of getting exciting about that. If you've ever been through construction, you know what it's like. So let me flip the camera down so you can see the cross stitch of what I've done. I did finish page 4, which you saw. There are 9 pages in this. Mr. Jerry's coming in. That'll teach him to creep out here. And it looks like there's going to be a beautiful sunset out there. Won't be able to see it, but the sky looks really pretty out there right now. So let me flip the camera around so you can see what I've been working on today. Okay, this right here is the sock yarn I tried to show you this morning in the dark. I'm doing a crocheted sock. It is toe up, and it is from this gal right here. I have a lot of yarn sock in my bins. So this one is self-striping, and I am trying to see what this is going to be like, but this one will probably go to Jerry unless he goes, I don't like it, but Jerry usually doesn't turn socks down. So, and then I've been working on this Happy Morning, this chart right here. It has 9 pages, and I just finished page 4, and I'm starting page 5. I'm starting the barn. So this is page 5, this was page 4, and this is what it looks like so far. So I just wanted to hop on and just say hello and thank you for watching and subscribing and chit-chatting with me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And boy, that sky is so pretty. I don't know if I can, it's almost got a pink tinge to it, doesn't it, Jerry? I will. Let me see. Oh yeah, you guys can see it as Jerry walks across again. That is the color of the skies after our big storm today. But anyways, I will let you go, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And I hope that your Wednesday has been a great day, and I hope that if you were in Michigan, that you survived the storms without any damage. And I guess I will see you on Thursday. Good night, friends. So that's the sunset, friends. That is so pretty. We are standing in our sunroom right now. It's kind of chilly out here. Wind's blowing, but that is so pretty. Just wanted you guys to see that. See if I can back up and get Mr. Jerry's went in because it's cold. But this is our sunset.